Right, we are good to go. A small request before we proceed. Please settle down, all of you. Thank you. All right, a very good morning to one and all. Well, it's a houseful event, so let's hear from each one of you. Good morning, everyone. That's wonderful. On behalf of Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, I am your host, Namrata Bhanushali, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure to welcome you all to this historic occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate a major milestone listing ceremony of Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited at the National Stock Exchange of India. Let's start this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much. Before we proceed, I request all of you to please rise for the national anthem. Bharat Mata ki. Jai Hind. Please settle down, all of you. Thank you. Now it is my honor to welcome our dignitaries for today. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Head Issuer Relationships, NSE. Sir, we would like to welcome you with a lovely bouquet of flower. Once again, a very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Chairman and Managing Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Anar Patel, Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. I'm so sorry, it's Miss Anar Patel. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. You're looking lovely today. Now, let's welcome Mr. Dhruvin Shah, Whole-Time Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome to you. Thank you. Now I request all our dignitaries to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. I request Mr. Krishnan Iyer, sir, Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, and Mr. Dhruvin Shah to please join us near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. This marks an auspicious beginning of our ceremony. Thank you so much, all of you. With this lighting of the lamp, we all can feel a shift in the environment, a positivity in the air. So let's give a huge round of applause for the positivity we have created here. Thank you. And now allow me to introduce the company we are here for today, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, a healthcare company with over 30 years of excellence in quality, compliance, and global presence. Founded in 1993 and headquartered in Ahmedabad, Shukra has grown from pharmaceuticals into medical consumables, diagnostics, and advanced healthcare solutions. Today, the company is taking a strategic leap into medtech manufacturing, tapping into India's rapidly growing medical technology market and addressing a space where 70 to 80% of advanced medical devices are currently imported. With a USD 203 million market capitalization and an impressive 244% 5-year CAGR, Shukra is among India's fastest growing healthcare companies with a growing presence across India, CIS, Africa, and Southeast Asia. And today, as we are here at NSE to witness a new chapter in the journey of Shukra, I want you all to once again give a huge round of applause for yourselves and for this beautiful day here. Thank you. And now I would like to invite Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Chairman and Managing Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, to kindly address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
So, congratulations, Team Shukra. Good morning, all. Distinguished official of the National Stock Exchange, my colleagues on the board of Shukra Pharmaceuticals, our partners, our shareholders, and friends from the media. I welcome you all on the precious occasion. Tomorrow, India marks its 80th Independence Day, and today, a company built in India, run by Indian hands, making medicines for Indian patients, takes its place on the National Stock Exchange of India. Medicine is not merchandise. Every product that leaves our facility reaches a human being on one of the hardest days of their life. They are the reason this company exists. This ambition wrote itself into everything we touch, into WHO GMP certified facilities and NABL accredited laboratories, into partnerships, relationships, and we held for decades, renewed on the strength of delivering what we promised. Today, Shukra medicines reach patients across the CIS region, Africa, and Southeast Asia, and other parts of the world, of course. But what I'm the most proud of is that when a doctor sees our name on the vial, he proceeds, no hesitation, no second thought. In this industry, that is the hardest reputation thing is to earn reputation and the trust. A company of 33 years must decide what it wants to become in next 30 years. And we have decided. In addition to our pharmaceutical business, Shukra is now moving into the world of medical technology, we can say medtech, with Shukra Robotics, Shukra Health Tech, Shukra Diabetics Technologies, Shukra Wound Care, Shukra Emerging and Virtual Autopsy, Shukra Emerging and Critical Care, Shukra Combat Medical Support, and many more. And I know, it's a large ambition, and I'm here to tell you one thing. It's on strong hands. For decades, the most advanced equipment in an Indian operating theatre has been imported, serviced from abroad, and priced accordingly, which means the finest surgeon in a district hospital maybe has been told quietly that some capabilities are not for these patients, and we don't accept it, and we can't accept it. Our aim is simple, that Make in India on a medtech should give the same trust to the doctors around the world, exactly what our name on a medicine gives us today. Tomorrow we celebrate independence in medical tech, but in medical technology, that independence is still ours to win, and Shukra intends to help to win it. So I stand here this morning with total confidence in what this company becomes next, and it's not only hope, but confidence as well. I'm grateful to the National Stock Exchange team for review conducted the exceptional care. The standard of scrutiny is what makes a listing here worth achieving. Thanks to our directors, your questions have shaped this company as much as any decision taken in the boardroom. Shukra is stronger for the standard you hold us to do it. Thanks to our shareholders, your conviction carried us to this exchange. And a special thanks to Shukra family for years of hard work and dedication. 33 years ago, we set out to earn our country's trust. This morning, that trust takes us this place called National Stock Exchange. We shall be worthy of it. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your motivational speech here. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Anar Patel, Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good morning to everyone, respected dignitaries, our partners, our investors, our well-wishers, and most importantly, the entire Shukra family. Today is a very special day for all of us. The ringing of this bell is not just a ceremony. It is the sound of a journey that began more than 3 decades ago and the beginning of a new chapter for Shukra. For me, this moment carries a very personal emotion because companies are not built only with balance sheets, buildings, or products. Companies are built with people, with trust, with courage, and with the belief that tomorrow can always be better than today. I would especially like to express my heartfelt appreciation to Dakshesh Bhai. Dakshesh Bhai, your persistence, your entrepreneurial spirit, and your ability to keep moving forward have brought Shukra to this important milestone. And today, I want to acknowledge not only the destination but the determination behind the journey. I would also like to warmly welcome and thank all our new partners, our advisors, professionals, investors, and everyone who has joined hands with Shukra in this new chapter. We are grateful for your confidence in us. The move to NSE gives Shukra a larger platform and a larger responsibility too. Because when visibility increases, accountability must increase with it. And we believe that is the real meaning of growth. Growth is not only about becoming bigger. Growth is about becoming stronger, more responsible, more valuable to everyone connected with us. Shukra has grown from its pharmaceutical foundation and today it is looking towards the exciting world of medtech and healthcare innovation. So, for us, today's bell represents 3 things. Our past, which we respect, our present, which we celebrate, and our future, which we must build with courage. I would like to share a few lines that come from my heart. A bell rings for a moment, but a journey echoes for generations. Today we hear the sound of our achievement, and tomorrow we must become worthy for its trust. And there is one more thought, I strongly believe it. A company may be listed on a stock exchange, but an institution is truly listed in the hearts of its people. That is the Shukra. We want us to build a Shukra that creates a value for shareholders, opportunities for employees, trust for customers, confidence for partners, and above all, contributes meaningfully to healthcare and society. Today, let us celebrate the milestone with humility. Let us thank everyone who has walked with us. And let us look ahead with ambition, but also with responsibility. The bell we ring today should announce that Shukra is ready for its next one. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, I invite Mr. Dhruvin Shah, whole-time director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, to kindly address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. It takes me great pleasure to be here, and especially with the Shukra family. Uh, but here today, I want to talk about something that will lead us to the future, because I believe that we are standing at the beginning of a remarkable new era in the world of healthcare. The world around medicine is changing at an extraordinary pace. Robotics is redefining precision. Advanced devices are changing what is possible for doctors and patients. Technology is becoming increasingly integrated into everyday part of healthcare. And the most exciting part is that we are still only on the beginning of understanding what is possible. When medicine, technology, and human ingenuity come together, that is where the next chapter of Shukra begins. Our ambition is to build new capabilities, not just to enter new categories, to work with leading technologies and global expertise, to bring innovation to India, and over time to create products and technologies that can not only serve India, but the rest of the world. The future is not about leaving that foundation behind. The legacy of pharma has been a very humbling journey, and now it is time to carry it forward. To take the values that we built with Shukra and apply them to a world that is changing faster than ever before. To bring greater innovation and even greater ambition and the courage to imagine what Shukra can become next. I believe that the companies that will define the future of healthcare will not be defined by one product or one technology. They will be defined by their ability to continuously learn, innovate, and adapt. Curious enough to imagine what comes next, bold enough to pursue it, disciplined enough to build it properly, and grounded enough to remember why we are building it in the first place. I take immense pride in having this opportunity to carry this journey forward with the Shukra family now listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. This larger platform will ensure the success of the company with a noble vision for a better tomorrow. We know where we come from, we know what we stand for, and now we know where we want to go. Affordability, adaptability, accessibility of modern healthcare. Not simply to build the next chapter of Shukra, but to build a chapter worth the legacy that we have been entrusted with by our patients, doctors, and the respectable shareholders of Shukra Limited. We could not be more proud, more excited for this journey, and I welcome you all for the next chapter of Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Head Issuer Relationships NSE, to speak a few words. Over to you, sir.
Shri Dakshish Shah, Chairman and Managing Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals. Srimati Sheetal Shah, Director, Shukra Pharmaceuticals. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the opening bell ringing ceremony of Shukra Pharmaceuticals at NSE. NSE is proud to welcome Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this becomes the 3038th company to be listed with us. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world, and the market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown nearly 130 times since NSE started its operations in 1994, and it stands at about 492 lakh crores, which is approximately 5.16 US trillion. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. In the last 31 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. As India marches towards becoming Viksit Bharat, the listing of Shukra Pharmaceuticals on NSE reflects the spirit of India driven by innovation and global competitiveness. As entities like Shukra Pharmaceuticals scale through the public markets, they contribute directly to building a more strong, self-reliant, and future-ready nation. In the recent years, India has consistently ranked amongst the top IPO markets globally, and even as several international markets witnessed a very subdued activity. In the calendar year 2025, India was a global leader by the number of IPOs, followed by US and mainland China. In FY26, NSE facilitated 222 IPOs. Both the main board and on NSE emerge, raising about 1.89 lakh crores. It is one of the strongest year on record. NSE today serves more than 13.2 crore unique investors, holding about 26.6 crore investor accounts, and this covers 99.95% of all the PIN codes in the country. We are proud to offer Shukra Pharmaceuticals access to this broad investor base and a fair, efficient, and transparent market ecosystem. I congratulate the entire team of Shukra Pharmaceuticals and other parties associated for this accomplishment. Today's listing is the beginning of a strong partnership with NSE and Shukra Pharmaceuticals, and we look forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. And now, as a significant gesture to this occasion, we will move towards the presentation of mementos. First, we will present the memento from NSE to the company. And to present the same, I request Mr. Krishnan Iyer, sir, to please come forward. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, and Mr. Dhruvin Shah to kindly come forward. First, we will present the listing bill. I also request Ms. Sanskruti Patel, Director, and Ms. Sheetal Shah, Director, to come forward to accept the honor. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A proud moment indeed. Along with the listing bill, we also have proud to be listed badges. And a coffee table book from NSE to the company. Congratulations. Thank you so much. I would request you all to please be here, as now we will present the memento from the company to NSE. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, and Mr. Dhruvin Shah to please be here to present the rest of the mementos. And to accept the honor, I request Ms. Sanskruti Patel to please be here. No, this is to accept the honor, I request you to please join us. Yes, this is from company to the partners, yes. Congratulations. I also request Miss Sheetal Shah to please come forward to accept the honor. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Prashant Shah, HOD HR, to please come forward and accept the honor. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, I invite Dr. Parag Deshmukh, Strategic Advisor, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Narendra Singh Rajput, Chief Strategic Advisor, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, I invite Ms. Shamshad Begum Khan, Roma Khan, Head Forensic Division, to please come forward. Congratulations, ma'am. Once again, congratulations. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Ajay Appukutan Nair, Head Forensic Division. Please come forward and accept the honor, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Now, I invite Mr. Harsh Shah, Manager Operation, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, I invite Ms. Rupal Patel, Practicing Company Secretary, to please come forward and accept the honor. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Ms. Himani Vora, Company Secretary, to please come forward. Next, we have Ms. Himani Vora, Company Secretary. Congratulations. Next, I invite Mr. Shivkant Dhakar, Company Secretary, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite C.A. Anand Sanghvi, Statutory Auditor, to please come forward. It is indeed a proud day for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Jeevan Singh Negi, Head and in charge of Manufacturing Division. Congratulations, sir. All right, so we will continue the rest of the mementos after the bell ringing ceremony. It is almost 9:13 now, so I request all our dignitaries, Mr. Krishnan Iyer, Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, Mr. Dhruvin Shah. I request all of you to please join us near the bell for the bell ringing ceremony. I would also like to invite Ms. Sanskruti Patel and Ms. Sheetal Shah to please come forward for the bell ringing ceremony. Also, it is 9:13, 2 minutes to go. So you all can see the timer on the screen and you all will have to join me for the last 10 seconds, the countdown of the last 10 seconds with a lot of energy and enthusiasm since it is indeed a proud moment for all of us. So ladies and gentlemen, are we all excited? Yeah. Wonderful, that's the energy we are looking forward to. 50 seconds to go. With this ringing of the bell, Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited will be officially listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. I can see a lot of excitement, a lot of enthusiasm here. Lovely smiles on everybody's face. So all of you will join me for the last 10 seconds. Yes, we can, of course, why not? 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited is now officially listed on National Stock Exchange of India. Let's give a huge round of applause for the company. It's hard work and dedication of all of you guys. A big, big congratulations to all of you. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Let's capture this beautiful moment here, which we are going to cherish for a very, very long time to come. Indeed, we can say that we have created history today. Thank you so much, all of you, for this excitement. I would request you all to kindly take your seats as we will now continue with the ceremony. So I request you all to please settle down. And before we move ahead with before we continue with the presentation of Memento, all right, everybody, let's settle down. I understand everybody is super excited here. However, we will continue with the ceremony now. Before we continue with the presentation of Memento, I would like to request Dr. Parag Deshmukh, Strategic Advisor, to please come forward and address the gathering, to speak a few words for all of us. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar and a very good morning to all of you. I was told to stick to the timing of 3 minutes, but since the bell has been rung, I'm going to speak more than what is required. So today is not just another trading day. Today the bell that rings on this floor rings in celebration of a journey that began about 3 decades ago as Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, taking its rightful place on the main board of the National Stock Exchange. Allow me to take you back. In 1993, a small pharmaceutical venture was born out of conviction rather than capital. It was built in the soil of Gujarat, a state whose entrepreneurial spirit has produced some of India's greatest industrial stories. Shukra Pharmaceuticals began with a simple but powerful belief that quality medicine should not be a privilege but a right accessible to every Indian household. For over 3 decades, the belief was tested through regulatory tightening and through the demands of scale. And through it all, the founding vision held firm because of the unwavering stewardship of our promoters. It is impossible to speak of this journey without speaking of Shri Dakshesh Bhai Shah and Srimati Anarben Patel, whose personal sacrifice, discipline, and long-term thinking built the foundation on which everything you see today stands. Their names are not just on the cap table. They are woven into the culture, the values, and the very DNA of this organization. On behalf of every employee and every shareholder in this room, thank you. Shukra, a name rooted in Indian tradition, symbolizes clarity, brightness, and guidance, much like the planet Venus that has for eons been a beacon for those charting their course in the deep sea. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Shukra have a dream, nay, a promise to every patient, every doctor, and every partner across the world that when a product carries the Shukra name, it carries with it a guarantee of quality that meets the most rigorous global benchmarks. Building that capability took years of investment, thousands of hours of process discipline, and an unrelenting focus on compliance, because in healthcare, there is no room for compromise. Shukra's ambition did not stop at being a compliant, well-run pharmaceutical manufacturer. We asked ourselves a harder question: what does healthcare look like a decade from now? And the answer we arrived at was clear. The future belongs not to companies that make medicines alone, but to those who build entire ecosystems of health technology. That is why today Shukra has redefined itself as a medtech company with more than a dozen active verticals spanning the breadth of modern healthcare needs, from formulations to diagnostics, from medical devices to digital health platforms, from robotics to specialized therapeutic delivery systems. We have built vertical by vertical a company that thinks less like a traditional pharma house and more like a healthcare innovation platform. The diversification was deliberate. In a world where disease patterns are shifting, where technology is converging with biology, and where patients demand more personalized, more accessible, and more affordable care, Shukra will be far more resilient and far more relevant to our patient clientele. Each vertical of Shukra strengthens the other. Each vertical opens new doors for partnerships, new geographies, and new possibilities. And that brings me to why we stand here today, ringing this bell. Shukra has been listed on the BSE for some time, and that listing gave us a first taste of public market discipline and transparency. But moving to the main board of the NSE is a different milestone altogether. It places us along India's most closely tracked, most institutionally engaged company. It tells global investors, global partners, and global regulators that Shukra is ready for a bigger stage, ready for deeper capital, ready for greater scrutiny, and ready to deliver greater value. So what does the road ahead look like? Let me be direct. Our strategy is built on partnerships, both national and international. We at Shukra are actively pursuing licensing arrangements, joint ventures, and technology transfer partnerships with companies from all over the world in markets that value Indian manufacturing, where our quality credentials open doors widely. We believe Indian medtech's next chapter will be written not through isolated exports, but through genuine co-development partnerships where Shukra brings manufacturing excellence and cost efficiency, and global partners bring market access and specialized technology. To our new shareholders joining us on this platform today, you are not simply buying into a stock. You are buying into a 3 decades old story of resilience, a leadership that has never wavered, a manufacturing base that meets the world's toughest standards, and a vision that spans 14 verticals of tomorrow's healthcare. You are buying into a company that is in the pursuit of world-class quality and has spent every year since living up to that name. Ladies and gentlemen, John F. Kennedy once told a generation of Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. I believe that same spirit must guide every one of us at Shukra today. As we join the main board of the National Stock Exchange, let us not only ask what this listing, this capital, and this moment of recognition can do for us. Let us ask what we as a company, as employees, as promoters, and as shareholders can do now for our country's healthcare future. That is the true measure of this milestone. Shukra Pharmaceuticals stood for guidance and brightness when it took its name 3 decades ago. Today, as this bell has been rung on the main board of the National Stock Exchange, we do not just mark a listing, we mark a new chapter of a company determined to shape the future of Indian healthcare in the medtech sector, one vertical, one partnership, and one patient at a time. I am quite confident with our excellent team, in the course of a decade, Shukra becomes the biggest medtech company in the country, and who knows, even in the world. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your speech. And now, before we proceed with the exchange of the mementos, we have a small surprise for Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. So here at NSE, we follow a tradition. So we have captured the exact moment the bell was rung, and we would like to present the photograph of it to the Shukra family here. And to do the honors, I would like to invite Mr. Shivalik Nayak from NSE to kindly present the photo frame of the bell ringing ceremony. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, Mr. Dhruvin Shah, Ms. Sanskruti Patel, and Ms. Sheetal Shah to please come forward. So it's a photocopy of the exact time the bell was rung and the company was listed. I request Ms. Anar Patel also to please join us. Thank you and congratulations once again. It's a small gesture from NSC to the company. Now let's proceed with the exchange of the mementos, and to present the same, I request Mr. Dakshesh Shah, Ms. Anar Patel, and Mr. Dhruvin Shah to please come forward. And to accept the honor, now I invite Dr. Abhishek Singh, VP Diagnostic Solution, to please come forward. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Mr. Amandeep Bhalla, VP Advanced Surgical. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Mr. Amit Tiku, Director, Cardiac Sciences and Medical Simulators. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Anil Verma, VP Surgical Robotics, to please come forward. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, we have Mr. Debraj Chaudhary, VP Diabetes Technologies. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Gaurav Shaukin, Chief Operating Officer. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Next, we have Ms. Kamini Bharti, Business Head, Wound Care. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Rahul Mehrotra, National Sales Manager. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Mr. Surya Prakash Goyat, VP Imaging and Critical Care. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Next, we have Ms. Nishta Darji, HR Manager. Congratulations. Thank you. Now I invite Ms. Ranjana Amit Tiku, EA2 CMD. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Mr. Gurpreet Singh Kohli, Strategic Partner. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. And now, last but not the least, Miss. Thank you. And now I invite Ms. Ritu Kapoor, Director, to please come forward. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Please settle down. Once again, congratulations to all of you. And now to conclude today's formal proceedings, I invite Mr. Dhruvin Shah to please come forward to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
On behalf of Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited, I express our deepest gratitude to the National Stock Exchange for welcoming us onto this prestigious platform today. Our sincere thanks to our advisors, auditors, legal consultants for their invaluable support throughout the listing journey. To our shareholders, partners, and the entire Shukra team, thank you for your trust of 30 years and hard work that made this milestone possible. As we step into the medtech space, we remain committed to driving sustainable and long-term growth. Thank you once again. We now warmly invite you all to join us for the breakfast and networking in the hall. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and congratulations to Shukra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the vote of thanks.
By the way, guys, शाम को guys, everybody, शाम को पार्टी है, आना जरूर. Guys, थोड़ा response नहीं आया. I think it wasn't registered. 6 p.m. onwards, we are gathering up for a grand party celebration for this auspicious occasion. So please, everybody, please do come. Thank you. More details will follow.
Friends, charity begins at home. They have given awards to all of us, but they themselves have not taken any award. So I request, first of all, Anarben to give memento to Dakshesh Bhai. Lao Dakshesh Bhai, आप दक्षेश भाई ने And now vice versa, I request Dakshesh Bhai to give award to Anarben. And last but not least, Anarben and Dakshesh Bhai will give memento to Dhruvin Bhai. And very big thank you from Shukra HR.
All right, thank you so much, all of you. And once again, a big, big congratulations to Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited on achieving such a milestone. And it was indeed a privilege for me to witness Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited to take a new step forward in their journey. I wish you all the very best, and I invite you all for tea, coffee, and breakfast. Thank you so much, all of you. Jai Hind. This is Anchor Namrata signing off.
on your face.